as you're editing the ceremony, you want to be aware of the audio as well as the video. So you want to start to mix the track audio. There's two major things to think about there: the EQs, your noise, which we've gone over. It might be good to put down an EQ if you have a lot of low end, which this one doesn't really, but it won't hurt to do it. You could put a low cut, 90 to 100 would be fine. But the other thing is just, for instance, this is applause, so we have a compressor, and that's just limiting it at about the 10 decibel level, and there's no gain to that, so as you can see, we're kind of hitting the claps are popping, so you actually want a slower attack there, or a faster attack to handle those claps. And it definitely helps limit that. Generally, so you're watching for your levels, you're watching for your EQ, and also if it needs any sort of noise reduction, that's a good time to think about putting it on. And to deal with if there's any issue with your sound, any sort of buzzing or any damage, anything you have to work on, it's a good idea when you're going through the edit to work on the audio as well.